connectivity is not just about roads and ports, it is about linking destinies. Jai Hind everyone, this is Nana and this is my day 3 of lecturate series. And topic of my today's lecturate is CPEC, that is China-Pakistan Economic Corridor. The China-Pakistan Economic Corridor is one of the most ambitious infrastructure and economic development projects in the South Asia. It is a flagship project of China's Belt and Road Initiative, that is BRI, aimed at enhancing regional connectivity, trade and economic cooperation. CPEC is a network of roads, railways, energy projects and industrial zone connecting Gwadar port in Pakistan's Baluchistan province to Kashgar in China's Xinjiang region with an estimated investment of over 60 billion US dollars. It seeks to address Pakistan's energy shortages, improve transportation, infrastructure, and boost industrial growth. One of the most strategic components of CPEC is Gwadar Port, which provides China with a shorter and safer route to Indian Ocean, reducing its dependence on the Malacca Strait. For Pakistan, Gwadar has the potential to transform the country into a regional trade hub linking South Asia, Central Asia, and the Middle East and Africa. CPEC also focuses heavily on energy security with power projects based on coal, hydropower, solar, and wind energy. These projects aim to overcome Pakistan's chronic shortages, which have long hampered industrial productivity and economic growth. However, CPEC is not free from challenges. Concerns have been raised regarding debt sustainability, environmental impact, and regional security, especially in the Balochistan. Additionally, India has expressed strong objections to CPEC as ports of corridor pass through Pakistan-occupied Kashmir, which India considers is its sovereign territory. Despite these challenges, CPEC holds immense potential to reshape the economic landscape of Pakistan and influence the strategic balance in the Indo-Pacific region. Its success will depend on transparent governance, local participation, environmental responsibility, and regional stability. In conclusion, I would like to say that CPEC is more than an economic corridor. It is a strategic corridor that reflects the evolving geopolitics of Asia. If managed wisely, it can become a model of regional cooperation. If mismanaged, it could deepen economic and strategic tension. At last, I would like to say that the road to development must be built not with the concrete, but with the trust and cooperation. Thank you, Jai Hind.